Hello, I'm Navi,
I'm Adrian.
and this is our usability testing deliverable.
Our product is a Fujifilm FinePix Z37. It has a flash, video, time, memory card, zoom, and a digital screen.
So the testing, it was done in a well-lit classroom where all buttons were visible. It was taken by three female college students. We just had them do relatively easy tasks, such as the first task, which was turning on the camera, because you want to be able to access it. Task 2, set a timer if you yourself want to be included in the picture. And task 3, take a video if you want to record a longer moments.
So for the first task, we asked them to turn on the camera. People want to be able to take pictures quickly, so it's important that the camera turns on fast. Participants 2 and 3 already knew how to turn on the camera, so the difficulty for them is 1. It was pretty easy for them. But for the first participant, it took her 36 seconds to turn on the camera, because she didn't know how that sliding the camera was the correct way to open it, and she put a difficulty of 3.
For the second task, we had them set a timer for 2 seconds, and it was a way of measuring how easy it is to navigate the menu. As you can see, the time was relatively about 30 seconds. Uh, the buttons pressed were each kept going up, but as the difficulty shows, it wasn't too hard. But the only difficulty was that the participants didn't know they had to press the button multiple times, which led to the time increase.
For the third task, we asked them to take a video to see how easy or difficult it is to find the video option. Um, as you can see, for the first and second participant didn't find it too difficult, but the third participant couldn't find the video button and thought that it was pretty difficult to find, so she put a 5 for difficulty.
For our recommendations, for turning on the camera, we want to make it obvious that you have to slide the front part of the camera to turn it on because people don't realize that. They thought uh, there would be a power button, so either have an arrow to show where to slide or have a power button to make it easier to turn it on.
And for the buttons, um, we want to put the video button on top and pictures button on the bottom, and the video should start when the shutter button is pressed. And as for the screen, we want to make the screen smaller to allow bigger buttons or more buttons.
So for our conclusion, we want more participants to remove some of the outliers. We would also want a different setting such as outside because that's where you would use the camera and
And also we'd like to use different user groups to test if there's any outliers, and we also want to try different tests.
thank you.